Students, we will continue with problems on fitting of a straight line. The next problem is, a simply supported beam carries a concentrated load P at its midpoint. Corresponding to various values of P, the maximum deflection Y is measured and is given in the following table. Values for P and Y is given as 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Y values 0.45, 0.55, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.85. Find a law of the form y equal to a plus bp and hence estimate the deflection when load is 150. Solution. We will start with the given curve y equal to a plus bp. We take y equal to a plus bp as equation 1. We note that y equal to a plus bx is also a straight line, but here instead of x we are given with the variable p. So equation 1 is a straight line. In curve fitting, the first step is we have to form normal equations. For that, attach sigma to equation 1. So the first normal equation is sigma y equal to an plus b into sigma p. In order to get one more equation, we have to attach sigma x, but here instead of x, p is there. So attach sigma p to equation 1. When you attach sigma p to equation 1, we will get summation py equal to a summation p plus b summation p square. So, we got two normal equations. Now we have to find values for summation y, summation p, summation py and summation p square. Note that totally 6 values for p and y is given. So here n equal to 6. Next, we prepare a table with the columns p, y, p into y and p square. Values of p and y are given, just we have tabulated here. Multiply each p, y value and write it in the next column. Square each of the p value and write as p square. We want sum of each column. Sigma p equal to 900, sigma y equal to 3.95, sigma py is 621 and sigma p square is 1,42,000. We substitute all these values in equation star. So the normal equations become 6a plus 900b equal to 3.95 and 900a plus 1,42,000b equal to 621. Now we will solve these two equations using the calculator. A1 is 6, B1 is 900, C1 is 3.95, A2 is 900, B2 is 1,42,000, C2 is 621. On solving, we will get the values of A as 0.0476 and value of B as 4.07 into 10 to the power minus 3. So this is the equation of y. Y equal to a plus bp is there. Substitute values for a and b here. We will get required expression for y as y equal to this one. Now we have to estimate the deflection when load is 150. Means when p equal to 150, what is the value for y? You substitute value for p in the straight line. So when p equal to 150, we have value of y as 0.66. The one more problem is fit a straight line in the least square sense for the following data: x 50, 70, 100, 120, y 12, 15, 21, 25. Start the solution. We will take y equal to ax plus b as straight line of fit. Note that here they have not given any form of straight line. So I have taken y equal to ax plus b. If you wish, you can take y equal to a plus bx is the required straight line. Accordingly, you have to proceed. Now we will proceed as in equation 1. Now consider normal equations. First attach sigma. So we will get sigma y equal to a sigma x plus b into n. Next you attach sigma x to equation 1. So sigma xy equal to a sigma x square plus b into sigma x. These two are normal equations. N equal to 4 here. Now we will prepare a table with the columns x, y, xy and x square. Now after completing each and every value, sum every column. So we will get summation x equal to 340, summation y equal to 73, summation xy equal to 6750 and summation x square as 31800. Substitute these values in system star. So system star becomes 340a plus 4b equal to 73. 31,800a plus 340b equal to 6,750. Using calculator we solve this. So value of a equal to 0.19 and value of b equal to 2.28. Now we will substitute values for a and b in equation 1. So the required equation of straight line is y equal to 0.19x plus 2.28. This is the equation of best fitting straight line. Thank you.